How to navigate the PrizePicks dashboard efficiently. Navigating the PrizePicks dashboard efficiently helps you quickly manage picks, monitor performance, and stay updated on offers. Now, here's how to make the most of it. Let's say you go to prizepicks.com and you log into your account from the app or the website. This is somewhat the interface that you should be able to see. Now the normal is the home and featured picks. Now it will display the day's top matchups and I recommend that picks. You can also look for highlighted promotions and boosted payouts right here. Player selection because you can browse by sport like NBA, NFL, MLB, etc. to filter player props. You can use a search bar to find specific players or teams. You can also view categories like points, rebounds, or touchdowns for each player. There will be active picks and entries option right there. It will show your current picks with detailed status updates, example pending, in progress, or completed. You will also see the special promotions and offers section right after you log into your account. There will be balance and reward section and the history where you can review past entries, including wins and losses for performance insights. I hope this video helped you navigate through the dashboard on PrizePicks. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.